today I'm going to be testing if glue sticks work for slime. So I'm here with Carlos, and also we are here with Nicole. So what we're gonna do is take your glue stick and then we're just gonna do this. Yeah. Look at it. Oh, we need to find, okay, so we got the glue stick. Since we can't really find a thing, we're just gonna use a straw. We're just gonna try to take out the thing, the glue on this thing. So let's go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some lotion. So we got our lotion. We're gonna pump 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. So we got our lotion. Now we're gonna mix it up. So now we're gonna add in the baking soda. We're gonna add in some. So we mixed it a little more. And so let's just put some contact solution in there. So for some reason that was a fail. I cleaned up my hands and it was just a complete fail. But thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. Let's get this video to 7 likes if we can. Special thanks to Nicole
and me, Carlos.